Just 5 minutes away from downtown Spokane is a slice of paradise called Urban Eden Farm. I'm talking with Terwin Waters, the manager of the farm.
So Jim Schrock owns this farm. It's been farmed, as far as I know, for the last 100 or so years.
Wow.
This 20 acres was a conventional carrot farm, and Jim has changed it into an organic, diversified farm, which means that we grow many kinds of crops.
And to show us those crops is their grower, Pat.
Here's a beautiful Urban Eden farm beet.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. We grow the beets, carrots, a couple different types of radishes. We grow turnips, we grow potatoes, and we grow Jerusalem artichokes. So I didn't even know there were that many root vegetables until I started growing them.
I see carrots that are ready to go.
Yeah, we get a few frosts down here, and the sugars flow down into the root, and they just taste so good. Check them out. These are daikon radish. They're an Asian radish. They're a really beautiful root vegetable.
Yeah.
Urban Eden Farm has a CSA box program and sells at Spokane farmers markets and many local restaurants.
Allie's Vegan Pizzeria and Boots Bakery downtown and Table 13.
And they buy from you because they want
Local
and organic.
Yes, and they know our farming practices.
But no farm is without its challenges.
Labor, weather, bugs, and long hours. I get tired. I get tired.
It takes a village, and the local farm down here, we provide jobs for local people, and some lower income makers can come down, and if they can't afford super gorgeous, high-priced organic veg, they can work with us, and we send them home with a big box for free.
Oh, that's so nice. Look at how beautiful
These are some of our
those
beautiful
are.
red carrots.
Those are amazing.
Next, Pat is showing me where they wash everything that comes in from the field.
Watch these babies clean up.
Yeah, look at that color.
They're beautiful.
They are.
Then we load them up in coolers, and then they're off to restaurants and farmers markets in Spokane. So we dunk all of our greens, and then we take them over this way to our homemade lettuce spinner.
A nice Maytag. I love it.
Yeah. And we've got some of our beautiful beet bunches going. We also grow a chioggia, which has candy stripes, and a golden beet. We grow some French breakfast radish, and we grow some Easter egg right here.
But you don't get gorgeous veggies like these without great soil.
We are very concerned about ecosystems and the health of our soil.
They even have goats to make compost.
Hi, are you helping?
They eat our greens and turn it into compost.
Nice.
Landscapers and people up on the South Hill donate their leaves down here, and we add some brown matter and some green matter, turn it with the tractor, and we make compost. This is why all of our roots grow so well.
So for your next meal, try creating an urban Eden of your own by using fresh, underground veggies grown right here in Washington.